3, 9.
Kamusta po? Kamusta po?
Baby, all we keep our love to I can see you I want someone like you, someone that I can hold on to. But forever's just so something only you heard of that. For me,
Oh my God. Hi, Sir Fred. Yes, Sir Fred. Sir Fred,
Fred's
full
there.
house.
Fred.
Yeah, boo, and you're looping. Now it's working. Good evening, Sir Fred. I can stay at work. Drop in to say hi and like, thanks, Sir Bell. Have fun. Thank you. Hi, Adam.
Full house. Yeah.
Full house. What means full house?
All these people. Full
Ah,
house.
okay.
And there's people outside too.
Go, guy. Go, guy. Have fun po. Thank you, Sir Bell. Of course, I came to say hello. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Uncle Freddie's bored. There's more outside, Fred. The men are out there drinking.
Thank you.
What is it? I can't read them.
You can't read.
I'm blind.
Are you blind? My God. That's why may gulay. You blind. Sabi niya, I'm blind. Hindi ko na niya basa. Sabi ko, kaya mo pag muna ako. You blind. Pero pag muna mo gayon nun ako, tinawa.
He said it keeps freezing up.
Yeah, connection sucks. Oh my, sorry. You guys keep freezing up. Sorry, Sir Fred. Connection slow. Too slow. What is it?
What are you doing?
I'm just oh my God. As my friend, if he said, if you are the first child, kita pa sabi niya. May ila sabi ni Bimbol wala ko no dito. Yeah, din ay. May remember when you met at the lunch? Here. She said, asking if you are the Christian. And Glory. Oh my God, with Glory. Mike should be outside with the mic.
You're drinking.
Mike, he don't drink.
Drinking liquor.
Greetings from Argentina. Hi, Pablo from Argentina. Thank you for the likes. I read.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get out there. Get out there and tap with them. Mike should be outside with them.
You're reading the song. I know that song. Shania Twain.
You like this song? I will practice. Oh my gulay, he's there. Hi, Sir Doc. Yes, he's here now. God.
Oh, there's Doc. Hey, Doc.
Thank you, Sir Doc. Hi, Sister Cheryl. We won the championship, but congratulations, Mom. Thank you for watching. Bro, where's your glasses?
I do have glasses. Only for reading.
At the room. His glasses, the room. Yes.
Ain't it past Fred? It's past Fred's bedtime.
Okay.
No.
Bedtime.
Yeah, bedtime. Means it's old. Tell him it's past your bedtime. Tell Fred it's past your bedtime, Fred. Go to bed.
That's our friend. It's bedtime. You need to go to the bed. Go sleep, rest. Looking good, Mike. Yes, he's looking good. Sir Doc is looking good. I will read for you. I never sleep till at least midnight.
Cinderella. Gotta be better than that.
As our friend said, it's like a Cinderella. And don't take naps like you guys.